Everyone, it's me Faisal Jaman, and today's video is very special because of today I bought that desired thing to you that is very important. And if I go to our website faisaljaman.com, these are my website, and going to this blog page, and I have launched a new template kit for you. And this is a template kit as a card section design, and today's card is very unique and very looks professional. As you can see, these are the card section, and these cards are very looking very professional, right? So how you can get this template? So in order to do, you will just click this download now, download here button, and it will take few seconds. In the meantime, I will announce to you now one more thing, that is I have tons of this kind of template on my local server. And as you can see, these are the educational these are the category: educational category, sports category, car category, food, app, health, and later I will bring more and more category for you. But right now it's available on my stock. These are the, and if I go to the sports folder, and here as you can see, all those essential folders available, like header, footer, FAQ, contact, a single post page, team member page. And important thing and interesting thing is, if I go to contact page or 404 page, and these are the team member. If I go to this team member, and or if I go to this 404 page, 404 folder, and these are the 404 folder, and these are the first one, and these are the second one. Design and looks very perfect. And if I go to the third one, and each and every item has a JSON file, that means one click import that design. So okay, so when say actually the thing thing that is, you get an order, you receive an order from your client. Okay, so now you are sitting to design your client website, and what you're gonna do, and now you are thinking how to give the beautiful look to your client, and client will impress to you, how you can do it. But today, if you have this kind of template, as you can see, all template are very professional and looks very good. And I swear, if you use this template for your client, your client will actually very impressed for your work. So that would be the greatest part for every freelancer. Okay, money doesn't matter, but also time is the very matter. So time is money. So here, if you use this template for your client website, and this will actually Elementor website, normally if you want to create any Elementor website, it will take 5 or 6 hours. Some of the freelancer needs more time, but as a spot freelancer will need only 5 or 6 hours for design any full complete Elementor website. But if you use contact page, if you FAQ page, just use one click import, demo import. You just see the design and change some text and change some color, and anyone cannot think that are used for that you have design is not actually own design. Okay, you just change the color, you just change the text, and it will completely different from my template. Okay, so you can use for your client website, you can use for contact page. These are the contact page template, these are the FAQ, footer, header, pricing, service, all are available over here. Okay, you can use each and every. So all files, these are the all files. I will give you $70 or $70. Okay, just one time you can use it, but if I upload on my server on my website, you can download it. Actually you can download it actually free. Okay, but right now I didn't upload all those files, but if you want to use, you can. But so here one more thing I will announce to you: if you need Elementor Pro, because of all those design, if you need to install, these are need Elementor Pro. So I will provide you Elementor Pro free version, and I have uploaded the Elementor Pro free version on my website. If I go to our page and going to post page, and here I have uploaded Elementor Pro. So if your client provide you Elementor Pro license key, you can use. But if your client don't provide you, and if your client are very cheapy and they actually don't provide you more money, you can use GPL version and with his permission. But if you actually need Elementor Pro license license key, I will also provide you license key. If you use GPL version, you can use this one, but if you need the license key of Elementor Pro, I will provide you only $10 because of Elementor Pro original license key need of $59, and that's a very expensive. Your client will actually provide you only 15 or 70 to $80 create a website. But if you purchase Elementor Pro license key for $59, and you cannot profit from your client. Okay, eventually your client provide you only $80 or $100 for the full design. In the meantime, how you can do this? So in that way, in here I will actually help you all those freelancer, because those are suffering these kind of issues. But I will provide you only $10. You just give your WordPress login access. I will provide you 1 year license key, and it will helps to design. Actually, it will helps 1 year support, and you can update to you can update anytime when Elementor wants to update. You can update, and it's will updatable. Elementor Pro, it's actual license key. I will provide you 1 year. You don't, without hassle, you can use the Elementor Pro. Finally, I would like to say. But now going to jump to our desired thing. If I here I will click the button, that is last step here. Will take a few seconds. So I would like to say that is these are the some ad showings over here, and if you see some ad, you just delete the ad or skip the ad. So here the JSON file of the whole design, and click the download button, and here click the download, and it will take few seconds, and it's downloaded. It's already been downloaded. I have downloaded this file. So now how you can import the file? So this is a very easy thing. If I go to, I have showed this video, my previous one is the header part. Now I'm going to upload the footer of the it is a hero section, and now I'm going to upload another part, that is card part. And how to upload? Just clicking this file option, and click this plus icon, upload icon, and select a file. And these are the 4058 card file. So this is the 4058 card section, and click insert. Boom, these are style are inserted. So here you can see looks already been very nice, looks very nice, right? So actually if you use all this template for your client, your client will impress. And here you just change the color. If you wanna change the color, you can do, but which color actually looks perfect, you just determine that. Okay, so here are the file. So you can download it. If you think this video is very helpful, you can share to your friends and family. And if you think this video is very helpful, comment to my YouTube channel, YouTube comment below. And if you think this video is not really helpful, also comment below, because of YouTube algorithm will understand this video helps or not. If you not comment a video, YouTube algorithm will cannot understand, because of I will provide you guys for you, all those things are for you. And if I get not profitable thing, I cannot give you a long time my effort. So you just give your love, and I will provide your help support. And finally, I would like to say, if you are not joining to my Facebook group, you can join to my Facebook group. How you can join? Just going to my website, and anywhere these are the my page, and these are the join to my Facebook group. You just on click, you just join to my Facebook group. And if you don't find this link, you just going to my contact me this button, and here you can see this is the also here available the button, and you just one click to join to my Facebook group, and I will support on this Facebook group. And if you need an extra thing, that is need plugin theme, I will provide you on free. But just give me your love. Thank you very much.